Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Honda Forza 750, a premium maxi scooter that combines performance, comfort, and modern technology. If you are looking for a stylish yet practical ride for both city commuting and long-distance travel, this might just be the perfect scooter for you. The Honda Forza 750 is powered by a 745cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine that delivers smooth power and impressive fuel efficiency. This engine produces around 57 horsepower and 69 Nm of torque, providing strong acceleration and a comfortable cruising experience on highways. The engine is paired with Honda's dual-clutch transmission (DCT), allowing for both manual and automatic shifting, giving riders the flexibility to choose their preferred riding style. One of the standout features of the Forza 750 is its advanced electronic package. The scooter comes with multiple riding modes, including Standard, Rain, and Sport, which adjust throttle response and traction control to match different road conditions. Additionally, Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) enhances stability by preventing wheel spin, making it safer to ride on slippery surfaces. The Forza 750 is designed with rider comfort in mind. It features a spacious seat with an ergonomic riding position, making long rides more enjoyable. The windscreen is adjustable, providing better wind protection at higher speeds. The scooter also offers ample under-seat storage, capable of fitting a full-face helmet along with other essentials, making it practical for daily use. In terms of technology, the Forza 750 comes with a full-color 5-inch TFT display that provides essential riding information, including speed, fuel consumption, and riding mode selection. The scooter also supports Honda Smartphone Voice Control (HSVC), allowing riders to connect their smartphones via Bluetooth and control calls, messages, and navigation with voice commands. This makes riding more convenient and safer, as you can access important features without taking your hands off the handlebars. When it comes to handling, the Forza 750 is equipped with high-quality suspension components, including a 41mm USD front fork and a Pro-Link rear suspension, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. The 17-inch front and 15-inch rear wheels, along with dual front disc brakes with ABS, provide excellent stopping power and grip on various road surfaces. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Forza 750. With its 13.2-liter fuel tank and efficient engine, it can achieve a mileage of around 28 to 30 km/h, making it an economical choice for riders who cover long distances. Whether you are using it for daily commutes or weekend getaways, this scooter ensures you spend more time riding and less time at the fuel station. The Forza 750 is also designed to stand out with its modern and aggressive styling. Its sharp lines, LED lighting, and premium finishes give it a sporty yet sophisticated look. The scooter is available in multiple color options, allowing riders to choose a style that matches their personality. For safety, Honda has equipped the Forza 750 with keyless ignition, ensuring convenience and security. The scooter also features an emergency stop signal (S), which automatically flashes the hazard lights during sudden braking, alerting other road users and reducing the risk of rear-end collisions. Overall, the 2025 Honda Forza 750 is a well-balanced scooter that offers a combination of power, comfort, and advanced features. It is ideal for those who want the convenience of a scooter with the performance of a motorcycle. Whether you are commuting in the city or exploring highways, the Forza 750 delivers a premium riding experience. That's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Honda Forza 750. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. I'll see you in the next video.